ଅଡିବୁଲ ତ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କଣ କରୁଛି କହିଲ ବିଜୟ?
ସାର୍ ମେସେଜ ଆସୁଛି।
ମେସେଜ ଆସୁନି, ଫଟୋ ଉଠଉଥିଲି। ତମେ ସିଜିଏଲ ପକେଇଲଣି, ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲଣି ଏସଏସସି ସିଜିଏଲ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କଲ? ଫଟୋଟା କେମିତି ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କଲ?
ସାର୍ ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଭଲ। ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କିମ୍ବା ତା ପାଖାପାଖି କଲର୍ ନ ଆସିଲେ ଫଟୋ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ୍।
ତ ଆପ୍ରୁଭ ଦେଖଉଛି, ଆପ୍ରୁଭ କଲା ପରେ ବି ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ କି?
ହଁ ହଁ, ଆପ୍ରୁଭ ପରେ ବି ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଯାଉଛି।
ସେଟା ପରେ
ସାର୍
ଭେରିଫାଏ ପରେ ହବ।
ମୋର ୟେଲୋ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି।
ସାର୍
ହଁ କୁହ। କହିହବନି
ସାର୍
କଣ? ହଁ କୁହ।
ଫେଜ ଏକ୍ସାଇରେ ମୁଁ କରିଥିଲି, ମୋର ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା ନେଇଯାଇଥିଲା।
ହୁଁ
ତାପରେ ଆଡମିଟ କାର୍ଡ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ ଆସିଲାନି, ପୁଣି ପରେ ଆସିଲା ପୁଣି ଅଟୋମେଟିକ। ଦେଖିଦେଇଥିଲା ରିଜେକ୍ସନ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଷ୍ଟାଟସରେ, ପୁଣି 2 ଦିନ ପରେ ଦେଖିଲି ଆଡମିଟ କାର୍ଡ ଆସିଯାଇଛି।
ଏସଏସସି ତାଙ୍କର କିଛି ଠିକ୍ ନାହିଁ। ଦିଥର ତିନିଥର ଭେରିଫାଏ ହୁଏ। ଥରେ ଭେରିଫାଏ ହବ, ତାପରେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଥର ଷ୍ଟାଟସ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଥରେ ଭେରିଫାଏ ହୁଏ, ତାପରେ ଆଡମିଟ କାର୍ଡ ଆସିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଭେରିଫାଏ ହୁଏ। ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତି ଆଉ। ଲିବେରାଲ ଚେକିଂ ହବ ଯଦି ଆକ୍ସେପ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ। ନେକ୍ସଟ। The longest cell in the human body is what? Nephrons,
Nerve
neurons,
cell.
ନ୍ୟୁରନ୍ସ
cytons, virions.
ନ୍ୟୁରନ୍ସ
Neurons. କୋଉଥିରେ ଥାଏ? କୋଉଠି ଥାଏ?
ବ୍ରେନରେ।
ବ୍ରେନ୍, ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ନର୍ଭସ୍ ସିଷ୍ଟମ।
बिल्कुल। Which is correct କହିବ statement? Eukaryotic cells are cells without nucleus and are found in single-celled organisms.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଭୁଲ
ଭୁଲ ସାର୍ ଭୁଲ।
ଭୁଲ 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 ଭୁଲ।
ଭୁଲ ଅଛି। Next statement. Prokaryotic cells are cells that contain a nucleus and are found mainly in multicellular organisms.
ଭୁଲ।
ଭୁଲ।
ଭୁଲ ବିଲକୁଲ। ଭାଇସ୍ ବର୍ଷା ହବ, ମାନେ ଉଲ୍ଟା ହବ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Eukaryotic cells contain nucleus and are found mainly in multicellular organisms, whereas prokaryotic cells are cells without nucleus and are found in single-celled organisms. ଶୁଭୁଚି ତ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମୋ ଡାଟା ସରିଗଲା ତ ଚେକ୍ କରି କହିବ ଯଦି ନ ଶୁଭିଲା, ପୁଣି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ ମାନେ ଡାଟା add on ପକେଇବି। Plant cell wall is made up of what? Chitin, protein, cellulose, keratin. Cellulose. ଶୁଭୁଚି ତ? ସ୍ଲୋ ହେଇଗଲା ବୋଧେ ନାଇଁ? ଲେଟ୍ ଶୁଭୁଚି କି? କେମିତି କରିବି ତାହେଲେ? Audible?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Automatic କଟିଗଲା। ରିଚାର୍ଜ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ନହେଲେ ଚାଲିବନି। ଶୁଭୁଛି ତ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଶୁଭୁଛି।
କୋଉଥିରେ ପକେଇବି? କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହେଇଗଲି।
ସାର୍ ମୋ ମୋବାଇଲରେ।
ଜିଓରେ ପକେଇବି ନା ଏୟାରଟେଲରେ ପକେଇବି?
ଜିଓରେ ପକେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ବଞ୍ଚିଲେ ରହିବ।
କାଇଁ ଏୟାରଟେଲରେ ପକେଇଲେ ରହେନି କି?
ଏୟାରଟେଲ ଅଧିକ ପକେଇବାକୁ ପଡିବ।
ଦିଟା ଯାକରେ ସରିଯାଇଛି ଆଜି ଗୋଟେ ଦିନରେ। 2 GB କେତେ ହୁଏ?
ଆସୁନି ସାଉଣ୍ଡ, ଭଏସ ଆସୁନି।
ଆସୁନି?
ନା କଣ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ହେଇକି ଆସୁଛି। ଜିଓରେ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟିଂ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ସହିତ ରହିବ, ଏୟାରଟେଲରେ ଅଧିକା ପକେଇଲେ ଯାଇ ଏକ୍ଜିଷ୍ଟିଂ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ସହିତ ରହିବ ଡାଟା।
ଏବେ ଶୁଭୁଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଦିନରେ ଆଜି ଏୟାରଟେଲ ଆଉ ଜିଓ ଦିଟା ଯାକରେ 2 GB ସରିଯାଇଛି। ଏବେ ଅଡିବୁଲ
ସାର୍
ତ?
ମୋର ତ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ 2 GB ସରୁନି କାଇଁ?
Plant cell wall is made up of what? Protein, chitin, keratin, cellulose.
सेलुलोज।
Cellulose.
Cellulose.
बिल्कुल.
सेलुलोज।
Which cell organelles have their own DNA and ribosomes? Mitochondria and plastid?
माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया क्लोरोप्लास्ट।
ମାଇଟୋକଣ୍ଡ୍ରିଆ।
Option हिसाब रे कुह दीदीटा अछि vacuole and plastid, mitochondria and plastid, lysosome and Golgi body and endoplasmic reticulum.
ମାଇଟୋକଣ୍ଡ୍ରିଆ
ମାଇଟୋକଣ୍ଡ୍ରିଆ
ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିଡ।
ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିଡ।
माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड प्लास्टिड।
बिल्कुल mitochondria and plastic, particularly chloroplast, both contain
क्लोरोप्लास्ट।
their own DNA and ribosomes. Which cell organelle performs the function of packaging materials to be delivered either to the intracellular targets or secreted outside the cell? Vacuoles, endoplasmic
गोल्गी बॉडी।
reticulum, Golgi
गॉल्गी बॉडी।
apparatus,
गोल्गी बॉडी सर।
बहुत बढ़िया Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. What are called kitchen of cells? Chloroplast, Golgi bodies,
लीव्स।
क्लोरोप्लास्ट।
chloroplast.
क्लोरोप्लास्ट।
बिल्कुल chloroplast. During mitosis process, what happens? Two identical nuclei are formed. Four identical nuclei are formed. Four identical daughter cells are formed. Two identical daughter cells are formed.
ଦି
आइडेंटिकल
फोर
डॉटर।
आइडियल डॉटर सेल।
टू आइडेंटिकल न्यूक्लियाई आर फॉर्म्ड।
Two identical daughter cells are formed during mitosis. Mitosis is divided into four substages. What are those?
इंटरफेज, प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, आनोफेज, टेलफेज।
बहुत बढ़िया। इंटरफेज, प्रोफेज,
ଏଥିରେ ନ୍ୟୁକ୍ଲିୟସ୍ ଟା ହେଇଯିବ।
इंटरफेज
ପ୍ରୋଫେଜ ସାର୍
तापरे
ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟିଂ
डीएनए
ଫାଇବର।
कॉपी ହେଲା ପରେ प्रोफेज रे क्रोमोसोम पेयर अप हबो मेटाफेज रे क्रोमोसोम लाइन अप हबो इक्वेटर रे एनाफेज रे सिस्टर क्रोमाटिड अलगा हेबे तापरे टेलोफेज रे सेल मिडिल रे पिंच हबो आ दीटा आइडेंटिकल डॉटर सेल फॉर्म हबो which is not present in DNA guanine adenine uracil cytosine
यूरासिल।
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 uracil
आरएनए।
कोउथरे था आरएनए बिल्कुल डीएनए रे
आरएनए।
adenine guanine thiamine
थायमिन।
cytosine था आरएनए रे
साइटोसिन।
adenine guanine cytosine uracil था thiamine and uracils are the differences rough endoplasmic reticulum looks rough under the microscope because of its attachment to which cell organelle?
राइबोसोम।
राइबोसोम बहुत बढ़िया राइबोसोम आज रेकर्ड होची तो जी करि न परिबो से पर देखि परिबो डैश आर नोन एज पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल लाइसोसोम
Mitochondria.
माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया डैश आर नोन एज एनर्जी करेंसी ऑफ द सेल
ATP
एटीपी कहली बोली छाड़ देले ना कौन ग्रुप रेकर्ड हो कहली बोली छाड़ी देले बोधे रेकर्ड होबनी हु इज कॉल्ड फादर ऑफ टेक्सोनॉमी एचलर कैरोलस लिनियर
Linnaeus
Carlos Linnaeus.
Carlos Linnaeus.
कैरोलस which which is in Monera group mushroom yeast bacteria moss
bacteria
bacteria बिल्कुल Monera was first proposed as a phylum by Ernest Haeckel in 1866 who proposed five kingdom classification
Robert Whittaker
R.H. Whittaker बिल्कुल the
R.H. Whittaker.
five kingdoms were Monera protista fungi plantae and animalia
Animalia plantae.
animal
which is the non-green heterotrophic plant fern fungi algae mosses
Fungi.
non-green
Fungi.
बिल्कुल fungi is the non-green heterotrophic plant yeast molds and mushrooms are examples of fungi which organisms are included in protista kingdom given by Robert Whittaker तीन टा अछंती एग्जांपल तो को तीनटा टा आसीबे प्रोटिस्टा अंडर रे कहबो नॉस्टक माइकोप्लाज्मा एंड प्रोटोजोआ बैक्टीरिया एमीबा एंड प्रोटोजोआ अनाबेना बैक्टीरिया एंड पैरामीशियम यूनिसेलुलर algae स्लिम मोल्ड एंड प्रोटोजोआ
Anna Bena
last
Paramecium.
कोटा
Anna Bena Amoeba Paramecium.
नाइन
Amoeba. Sir, amoeba जोटा थिला
last
सेटा.
एमीबा कोटा भी नथिला बोधे
Sir,
Sir,
Protista to
ଗୋଟେ
ସବୁ ଜାକ
ଥିଲା
protozoa.
Anabena
bacteria
ଥିଲା
amoeba.
यूनिसेलुलर अच्छा एमीबा थिला किंतु सेटा नुह आंसर सबु नुहंती करेक्ट सेटा भी नुह सेथरे प्रोटोजोआ नथिला तो सेति पे
last नो कि
करेक्ट हला लास्ट यूनिसेलुलर algae स्लिम मोल्ड एंड प्रोटोजोआ आर examples of protista single celled eukaryotes protista होची single celled eukaryotes unicellular normally aquatic well defined nucleus and membrane bound organelles थाए
ତିନି ଟା ତ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ଟେରିଆ ଥିଲା ବ୍ୟାକ୍ଟେରିଆ ତ ମୋନେରା ଯାଉଛି ଗୋଟେରେ ହିଁ
कौन कौन कौन
ତିନିଟା ଅପସନ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ଟେରିଆ ଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ଅପସନ ହିଁ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ଟେରିଆ ନଥିଲା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ରେ
बिल्कुल फास्ट रे भी बैक्टीरिया नथिला किंतु नॉस्टक जोटा अछि सेटा
First
नहीं
ରେ
What is the scientific name of cat? Panthera leo, Equus caballus, Panthera tigris, Felis domesticus.
Felis
Felis
domesticus.
बिल्कुल Felis domesticus is the scientific name of cat. What is the study of insects called?
Entomology.
Entomology.
Entomology. What is mycologist? Study of
Study of fungi.
study of fungi. बिल्कुल. What is study of algae?
Phycology
Psychology.
Phycology. What is study of cell?
Cytology.
Cytology. What is study of blood?
Hematology.
Hematology.
Hematology. Which of the following is not one classified under kingdom Animalia? Metazoa, Choanozoa, Pipiens, Protozoa.
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 Option easy ହେଇଗଲା ନାଇଁ କି? Next. The genus to which humans belong to is what? Primata,
homo sapien
Homo,
homo
Hominid,
Homo.
Mammalia.
Homo.
Homo. The genus to which humans belong is Homo. It is not a humans are not species; they are genus. Homo is the Latin name for mankind. Now regarding plant kingdom classification. Lichen plant belongs to what? Bryophyta, Thallophyta, Pteridophyta, Angiosperm.
Bryophyta.
Bryophyta.
Lichen belongs to Thallophyta. Thallophyta.
Thalapetus Spirogyra.
Hmm. Thallophyta is the division of plant including primitive forms of plant life showing a simple plant body in the form of thallus
Thallus-like structure.
without roots, stems or leaves. Bryophyta are called amphibians of the plant kingdom.
Plant.
Pteridophyta are the first terrestrial vascular plants. Angiosperms ର କ'ଣ ଥାଏ? Flower ଥାଏ ନା fruit ଥାଏ?
ଫୁଡ୍ ଥାଏ ଉପରେ।
Both. They bear both flowers and
Okay.
fruits. Select the plants which do not have roots, stems and leaves. Algae, fern, mosses.
Break here, voice break here.
Algae, ferns, mosses, conifers.
Sir, कौन था sir?
Which plant do not have roots, stems and leaves? Algae, ferns, mosses, conifers.
Algae.
Mosses.
Algae.
Mosses.
ତିନିଟା ଯାକ roots, stems and leaves ନଥାଏ. Mosses come under the group Bryophyta. They lack true roots, stems and leaves. Dash is a monocot plant. What is monocot plant?
Single leaf ବାହାରିଥିବ ଯୋଉଟା।
ଧାନ
ଧାନ
Option.
ଗହମ ଯୋଉଟାକର ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଅଙ୍କୁରୋଦଗମ ବେଳେ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଲିଫ୍ ଯୋଉଟା ବାହାରିଥିବ।
option
बिल्कुल. Options are carrot, daisy, garlic, rose.
Garlic.
बिल्कुल सिंगल लिप बाहरी जेतेबेले स्प्राउट होबाकू जाउଥାଏ
राइस भी हबो
जर्मिनेट होबाकू हैं कोन
राइस भी हेता तो सर
ऑप्शन हिसाब रे
आज्ञा
राइस भी हबो व्हीट भी हबो आउ कोन हबो कॉर्न भी हबो तो
आज्ञा
कट ऑप्शन हिसाब रे गार्लिक हबो डेजी कैरट और रोज जो थिला ऑप्शन से माने हेले डाइकॉट plants. What are thallophyta? Plants that have a well differentiated body structure, plants that lack a well differentiated body structure, animals that have a well differentiated body structure, animals that lack a well differentiated body structure.
प्लांट पर किसी
B,
न
B. Lack.
Lack बिल्कुल plants that lack a well differentiated body structure. Dash are called amphibians of plant kingdom. एबे कहितली
ब्रायोफाइट
Bryophyta.
Bryophyta. Which of the following is gymnosperm? fern, mango, pine, moss.
Pine.
Fine, sir,
Pine,
fine.
sir.
Fine.
Pine. Gymnosperm କାହାକୁ କହନ୍ତି?
Seed
ଫଳ
ତାର seed
ହେଇକି
ବାହାରେ
ଫଳ
ନଥିବ
ହବ।
ତାର।
Seed.
Seed covering ନଥିବ।
Cover
ହେଇ ନଥିବ covering
ହେଇନଥିବ।
ନଥିବ seed ର।
बिल्कुल. Which is the plant kingdom's smallest angiosperm? Smallest angiosperm.
ୟୁକାଲିପଟାସ କି ସାର୍?
Option କହୁଛି
ହୁଁ।
Jamia pygmea, Eucalyptus regnans, Olphia, Sequoia sempervirens.
ତାହେଲେ ୟୁକାଲିପଟାସ
Smallest, largest ସେଟା.
Sequoia.
ଲାର୍ଜେଷ୍ଟ ସରି
Sequoia.
ସରି
ସେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ
Olphia. Olphia is the smallest angiosperm. Largest is the Eucalyptus
ଆଜ୍ଞା
angiosperm plant. ଆଉ ଦୁଇଟା ଅପସନ ଯୋଉଟା ଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଜିମ୍ନୋସ୍ପର୍ମ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ. Which is not true about bryophyta? Not true about bryophyta. Main plant body is haploid. Spores are homospores. Flowers are present. Dominant phase is gametophyte.
ଫ୍ଲାୱାର ତ ନାହିଁ
Flowers are
Flowers are
present sir
present.
ଭୁଲ ଅଛି sir।
बिल्कुल, flowers are not present in bryophyta. Angiosperms are divided into how many groups on the basis of number of cotyledons present in the seed?
Two types.
Two types, sir.
Two types. Two types, mono and di. What is the characteristic feature of pteridophyte? Absence of flowers, absence of fruits, presence of a vascular system, all of the above.
The presence of
Vascular
vascular.
vascular system।
All of the above.
All of the yes, sir.
Absence of fruits भी अच्छी, absence of flowers, presence of a vascular system. All are features of pteridophyta. ତିରିଶରୁ କେତେ ମାର୍କ ଆସିଲାଣି କାହାର? Approx
26 sir।
ବଢିଆ. Next regarding photosynthesis. The term ATP is related to which of the following in a cell? It is an amino acid, it is a fat molecule, it is the energy currency, it is a
ଏନର୍ଜି
Energy
କରେଣ୍ଟ
currency.
that forms DNA.
Energy currency.
It is the energy currency. What
Energy
is the full
currency।
form of ATP?
ଆଡେନୋସାଇନ୍
Adenosine
Triphosphate.
Adenosine triphosphate. What is the percentage of photosynthetically active radiation that is captured by plants?
10%.
Options are
1%.
2 to 5%, 2 to 15%, 5 to 10%, 2 to 10%.
5
2
ରୁ
to
10
5
15%।
to 10. 5 to 10.
2 to 15।
Options 2 ରୁ 5, 2 ରୁ 15, 2 ରୁ 10, 5 ରୁ 10%. What is the percentage of par?
5 to 10.
2 ରୁ 15।
2 ରୁ 10% are captured by
10
plants. Photosynthetically active radiation. 2 to 10% of par that is captured by the plants. The mode of nutrition in which organisms make food themselves from simple substance is called which nutrition?
Autotrophic।
Autotrophic.
Autotrophic, बिल्कुल. The mode of nutrition in which organisms obtain their food by decomposing dead organic matter.
Heterotrophic.
ନା saprophyte।
Saprophytic.
Saprotrophic.
Saprophytic।
Saprotrophic
हाँ,
nutrition. The nutrition in which organisms use light energy to produce their own food.
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Autotrophic।
Phototrophic.
Oh,
Phototrophic.
Light. Autotrophic.
Phototrophic. The nutrition in which organisms obtain their food by consuming other organisms method.
Parasite.
ଏଇଟା heterotrophic ଆଉ
parasitic
Parasite.
parasite
Heterotrophic.
heterotrophic
Nutrition हिसाब रे heterotrophic. How many turns of Calvin cycle is required to produce 6 glucose molecules? How many turns? How many cycles? 6 cycles, 36 cycles, 42 cycles, 30 cycles.
36 सारे
36 बिल्कुल 6 ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल जेहेतु कहिची तो 36 हे गला थर करे
17 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ଲୁକୋଜ
हाँ 6 6 थर 6 टा केल्विन साइकिल रे गोटे ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल उत्पन्न हुए 6 टा कहितला तो 36 द बाई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इज व्हाट सुगर एनर्जी CO2 O2
O2
CO2
O2 sir
CO2
O2 sir
O2 बाई प्रोडक्ट
CO2
पहिला बाई प्रोडक्ट O2 CO2 is the reactant. Which light color
Sorry.
promotes greatest amount of photosynthesis?
रेड लाइट
बहुत बढ़िया. Red light promotes greatest amount of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, which energy is converted into which energy?
light energy to
light to
chemical
chemical
light
energy
energy
Chemical
convert
energy.
to chemical energy
Light energy into chemical energy. Where does photosynthesis take place in plant cell?
लीफ रे
Leaf. Leaf.
Mesophile, grana, chloroplast, bundle seed.
Chloroplast.
chloroplast
chloroplast
grana
Chloroplast. Chloroplast रे गोटे पिगमेंट थाए सेटा कोन जे कैप्चर
Chlorophyll.
करे सनलाइट को
chlorophyll
chlorophyll
Chlorophyll.
pigment
cool chlorophyll. The presence of which of the following molecules in leaves indicates the occurrence of photosynthesis? Presence of
Green.
which molecule in leaves?
ऑप्शन
Glucose, cellulose, starch, sucrose.
starch
Starch.
बिल्कुल
Starch.
starch. Which metal present in the pigment? Which metal is present in the
Magnesium.
pigment chlorophyll?
magnesium
magnesium
Biल्कुल
magnesium
magnesium. Next. एठी गोटे रेकॉर्डिंग रे गोटे जिंस रहिया कथा करेक्ट आंसर किए कोन कहूची ऑटोमेटिक कैलकुलेट करंते चलियो छाड़ now regarding diseases pneumonia affects which part of human body
lungs
Lungs.
lungs
lungs which of the following is not caused by virus not caused cholera chickenpox hepatitis measles
कॉलेरा
Cholera.
cholera
cholera caused by
बैक्टीरिया
water
Bacteria.
bacteria
bacteria agent ना
vibrio cholera
Vibrio cholera.
vibrio
vibrio cholera बिल्कुल chickenpox रो एजेंट
भाइरस टा
एजेंट माने पूरा भाइरस नाटा
ऑप्शन
ଭଲ ନାଟା
ଭଲ ନା
plasmodium
ଭଲ ନା
ଭାଇରୁଲା ଭାଇରସ
ଭାଇବାକ୍ସ କି ଏମିତି କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ନା
ଭାରି ଓଲା ଯୋଉଟା ସେଟା ହେଲା ସ୍ମଲ ପକ୍ସ ଚିକେନ ପକ୍ସ ହେଲା ଭାରିସେଲା ଜୁଷ୍ଟର ଭାଇରସ
ଭାରି ସେ
नेक्स्ट which disease and deficiency pair is not correct pellagra vitamin B